What type of primer and paint should be used for painting over varnished wood without sanding?
Welcome to our guide on the optimal selection of primer and paint when tackling the project of painting over varnished wood without sanding. Understanding the right materials to use is crucial for achieving a durable, professional-looking finish.
Why use primer?
Before diving into the specifics of the best primer to use, it's important to understand why we use primer in the first place. Primer provides a bondable surface that paint can adhere to. When painting over varnished wood without sanding, primer is especially important because it forms a barrier between the varnish and the paint, preventing the varnish from bleeding through.
What type of primer should I use?
The recommended primer for painting over varnished wood without sanding is a high-adhesion, oil-based primer or a shellac-based primer. These types of primers are specifically designed to stick to smooth, glossy surfaces like varnished wood.
What type of paint should I use?
When it comes to paint, an acrylic latex paint is typically a good choice for painting over varnished wood. It adheres well to primed surfaces and is durable and easy to clean. You can choose either a semi-gloss or a satin finish depending on the desired look.
Tips for a successful painting project.
1. Thoroughly clean the surface before applying the primer. Use a degreaser or a mild detergent to remove any dirt, grime, or oily residue. 2. Allow adequate drying time between the primer and the paint. This will help ensure a strong bond and a smooth finish. 3. Apply 2 coats of paint for best results. This will provide a rich, even color. That wraps up our guide on choosing the right primer and paint for painting over varnished wood without sanding. By selecting a high-adhesion primer and a durable acrylic latex paint, you can achieve a great finish that will last for years to come. Remember to properly clean the surface before starting and give each coat ample time to dry. Happy painting!